Are you thinking about fixing your roof yourself? Here's why that's a terrible idea, and you might be creating more damage than you are doing good. If you're thinking about getting up on your roof to fix that leak or replace a few shingles yourself, pause, because you might be doing more harm than good. Today I'm breaking down the biggest reasons why DIY roofing can be dangerous, expensive, and yeah, even illegal in some cases. Let's get into it. First up, safety. Roofing is one of the most dangerous jobs in the construction industry. Every year, thousands of homeowners end up in the ER from falls, injuries, or worse while trying to quick fix their roof. No job is worth a broken bone or worse. Unless you've got proper harnessing, non-slip shoes, and experience walking a roof pitch, it's not just risky, it's reckless. You might see one missing shingle, but what you don't see is flashing failures. You don't see water intrusion. You don't see soft plywood underneath that's been rotted. These are the things that professionals are trained to spot. A DIY patch job can just mask the issue and make it worse over time. By the time you notice that ceiling stain again, the damage has tripled, and so has the cost to repair it. Most shingle and roofing material warranties are instantly voided if the work is not done by a certified professional. So that quick DIY patch job where you're saving money, it's gonna end up costing you thousands in warranty coverage. Insurance companies love a loophole, and your DIY work gives them one. Down the road, if you have a problem, your insurance company might deny your claim because of that DIY patch you did up there, because the work wasn't done by a licensed professional. Trust me, when the next storm rolls in and 1/2 inch to 2 inch hail hits your roof, you don't want to hear from your homeowner's insurance, sorry, we can't cover your claim because there was a patch done on the roof. Incorrect nail placement, poor overlapping. One wrong move and you're inviting leaks, rot, and mold into your home. You're not just slapping shingles down, you're building an entire waterproof system. That takes training and experience and something a quick YouTube tutorial can't provide for you. So if your roof needs some love, skip climbing up the ladder and call North Star. We've got the experience, safety gear, and warranties to back up that repair. Don't risk your home or your health just to save a buck. It'll end up costing you a lot more in the long run. Comment below if you got some value from this, ask me questions, and if you're in my area, call me if you need something done with your roof. If you're in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks, Montgomery, Lehigh, Berks, Chester County, call me, we can help.